Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step makeup guide for a flawless, everyday look. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for some fresh product recommendations, this video is for you. Let's get started. Good makeup starts with great skin prep. Make sure your skin is clean, hydrated, and ready for makeup. First, you need moisturizer. A good moisturizer is the foundation of any makeup routine. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is a trusted choice. Formulated with ceramides and hyaluronic acid to lock in hydration and create a smooth, supple base, apply a small amount evenly across your face, focusing on areas prone to dryness. Once your skin is moisturized, then a primer acts as the barrier between skincare and makeup. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer is a cult favorite for a reason: it blurs pores, smooths texture, and creates a flawless canvas. Apply a thin layer to your T-zone or any areas where your makeup tends to crease or wear off quickly. It's the secret to long-lasting, professional-looking makeup. Next, foundation. A flawless base starts with the right foundation. The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is a fantastic option. Known for its lightweight formula, long-lasting wear, and buildable coverage. To apply, use a damp beauty blender or a foundation brush for a seamless blend. Start at the center of your face, where you typically need the most coverage, and work outward in gentle, buffing motions. Concealer. A good concealer to tackle dark circles and imperfections. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer is a favorite among makeup lovers. Twist the applicator to release the product, then gently apply under your eyes in a triangular shape, around your nose, or directly onto blemishes. Use a finger, a small brush, or a beauty sponge to blend seamlessly for a natural, radiant finish. Setting the base. To ensure your makeup stays flawless all day, setting it with a good powder is a crucial step. Lavra Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder is a holy grail product. Loved for its ability to lock in your foundation and concealer while keeping your skin looking matte and smooth. Using a fluffy brush, lightly dust the powder all over your face, focusing on the T-zone where oil tends to build up. This step not only extends the wear of your makeup, but also helps blur pores for a soft, airbrushed finish. Next, brows. Well-groomed brows are essential to framing your face. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is a cult favorite brow pencil that delivers precise, natural-looking results. With its fine tip, it allows you to create soft, hair-like strokes, making it perfect for filling in sparse areas and defining your brows without looking overdone. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is where you can add dimension and color to enhance your eyes. The Urban Decay Naked Basics palette is a versatile choice, offering a range of soft, neutral tones perfect for both daytime and evening looks. To apply, sweep a light shade across your eyelid as a base. Define the crease with a medium shade, blending softly with a fluffy brush. Add depth by applying a darker shade to the outer corners and along the lower lash line for a polished, natural look. Eyeliner. Eyeliner adds definition and drama to your eyes, elevating your look instantly. The NYX Epic Ink Liner is a must-have for its ultra-precise tip and long-lasting formula. Perfect for creating anything from subtle lines to bold wings. To apply, start by drawing a thin line along your upper lash line, beginning at the inner corner and working outward. For a soft cat eye effect, gently wing out the liner at the outer corner. Mascara. No makeup look is complete without mascara to enhance your lashes and open up your eyes. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara is a fan favorite, delivering impressive volume and length without clumping. To apply, start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the wand as you move toward the tips. This technique ensures each lash is evenly coated, creating a fuller and more defined look. Blush and contour. Adding blush and contour brings warmth, color, and dimension to your face, enhancing your natural features. Blush. The Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso is a perfect choice for a natural rosy glow with a hint of shimmer. To apply, smile slightly to locate the apples of your cheeks. Then sweep the blush onto them and blend upward toward your temples for a lifted effect. Contour. The Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in Mocha is ideal for defining your cheekbones and adding depth to your face. Swipe it along the hollows of your cheeks, your jawline, and the sides of your nose. Blend well with a brush or a sponge for a seamless, sculpted look that enhances your bone structure. Highlighter. The Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop is a timeless favorite, known for its luminous shimmer and smooth application. To apply, use a brush or your fingertips to dab the product onto the high points of your face cheekbones. Lips. The MAC Velvet Teddy Lipstick is a classic nude shade that flatters all skin tones, making it perfect for an everyday look. To apply, swipe the lipstick directly onto your lips for quick application or use a lip brush for a more precise and defined finish. Pair it with a matching lip liner for extra definition and longevity. Setting spray. To ensure your makeup lasts all day without touch-ups, a setting spray is essential. The Urban Decay All-Nighter settings to use hold the bottle at arm's length and mist your face lightly in an X and tips. Always start with a clean, moisturized face for smooth application. Don't skip primer. Smooth your skin and keeps your makeup in place longer. Use a damp beauty sponge or brush to blend foundation and concealer for a natural finish. Use a setting spray to lock in your makeup and keep it fresh all day. Dirty brushes can lead to breakouts. Clean them at least once a week. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step makeup look for an everyday glow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you next time.